Hi friends and welcome back. मैं हूं डॉक्टर गौरव गुप्ता, आपका अपना चाइल्ड स्पेशलिस्ट. Today I'm very excited because I have a very special guest, Dr. Sushma Rawat, and she is not only a practicing pediatrician for the last 29 years, but even more interestingly, 12 साल से she has been into holistic medicine. Now, there is so much that we talked about when I had met her during the recent IIP conference in Indore that is at least एक घंटे का discussion हो सकता है. But today we'll be just talking about a few things which are my interest and of course उनका तो passion ही है. She is a specialist in vitamin D and she is a specialist in holistic health. यानी using vitamin D to treat conditions along with lifestyle modifications. So without any further introduction, Dr. Sushma Rawat, thanks for being on the show.
Thank you. Thank you.
So,
my pleasure.
Ma'am has two publications, including one very recent one, and I would definitely encourage सब लोग इसको check out करें. ये Kindle पे available है, Amazon पे. मैं इसका link नीचे show notes में share करूँगा. That is The Golden Rays, Sun Bath and Why and How. And then she has another one which is available in her own clinic, that is in Indore at Child Care Clinic in Indore. But today, ma'am, everybody is worried about coronavirus, COVID. So मैंने आपसे specially request किया था कि let's have a little bit information about vitamin D and coronavirus pandemic. Can it help in preventing, making sure that the severity is less, or something in connection with coronavirus and vitamin D? So what are your thoughts about this, ma'am?
Yes, vitamin D will definitely help us in preventing corona infection. Those people who do not have infection and they take vitamin D regularly, they will be prevented. And those people who have got infection and they take vitamin D, the severity of the disease will decrease by almost 50%. And what does corona do when it goes inside the body? Like what happens? See, when coronavirus goes inside our body, there is a fight between the immune system and the virus.
Right.
And we have three situations. The best one is when our immunity is very, very strong and the virus is not that strong. The immunity will knock down the virus and the person will not have any symptom and the virus will go away. And this is called subclinical infection. And this is found in farmers, fishermen, athletes, those who are exposed to sun throughout the day and have very good immunity. And the second situation will come where immunity and the coronavirus strength is almost equal. The person will experience some fever, cough, cold, mild for 3 to 5 days and will get all right. And third situation, where the immunity is low, we have not cared for our immunity and the virus is stronger. What happens? The virus goes into our body, the throat and lungs and creates havoc. We have breathing trouble, ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome. We land up in ICU and you know what? The story ends there. And this happens usually in patients who are above the age of 60 and those who have chronic diseases. And there are empty number of publications where it is said that people with chronic diseases and people above 60 have lower vitamin D as compared to rest of the population.
Okay.
Even people, doctors working in ICU where corona patients were admitted, especially in USA, UK and Italy, they found that people who died of corona disease have lower vitamin D as compared to people who got all right and were sent back home happily. These literatures have not been published as yet, but there is one publication by a very famous vitamin D researcher, W.B. Grant, and the journalist Nutrients, April 2020, very recent publication, and he says that the load of virus is dramatically decreased by vitamin D supplementation. So, doctor, it is extremely important for all of us to have a very good immunity at this difficult time in our country.
Lovely, ma'am. I think coming from somebody like you, who's an expert in this field, it's something which we would definitely feel that हमारे जो patients हैं उनको भी इसका supplementation के बारे में सोचना चाहिए. And if they haven't had the levels tested, because आजकल तो मुश्किल है करना, they should probably take supplements. Which brings me to my next question, and we'll try to keep it short. So the last question, in fact, is that हम लोगों का विटामिन डी ऑलरेडी सबका कम होता है. 90% 80% of us have got low vitamin D, and now in lockdown we are not even getting that much sunlight exposure. हमारा लाइफ से शायद और भी खराब हो गया है. So ma'am, what would you recommend for vitamin D supplementation or testing during this period of coronavirus lockdown?
So the question of supplementation doesn't arise, but vitamin D supplementation every day. So there's one scientist, Dr. Dean Holwick, who has spent almost his whole life finding out the correct dose of vitamin D. He says it is 10,000 international units per day.
Oh, that's a lot.
And Dr. W.B. Grant has also said in this corona times that our supplementation has to be 10,000 international units per day, and then after a few weeks we shift to 5,000 international units. But I have found a middle path because our country is blessed with sunlight. So I tell everybody that give 6,000 international units per day, and 4,000 get it from sunlight. And we can get sunlight at this time also because we all have terrace with us. So 6,000 from the supplement, 4,000 from sunlight, and this will decrease the fear of toxicity also and bring us to 10,000 level also.
So ma'am, just a follow-up of this, how do you get 4,000 units from sunlight on your terrace or in your balcony?
See, like we don't have to be very, very particular, but I will tell you, early morning sun bath, the amount of time you have and the amount you can tolerate, just take that. And the sun bath gives, we know sun bath gives many more things apart from vitamin D, and it gives us perfect immunity. So doing this along with some small lifestyle modification, I think almost everybody knows about it, good lifestyle, gives us a very good immunity, and doing these things will definitely decrease the fear element in us.
I think that is a very important point, ma'am, that you have raised. Anxiety and fear, इसकी वजह से इतने लोगों ने सुसाइड कर लिया है, इतने लोग डिप्रेशन में चले गए हैं. कोरोना वायरस इतनी मॉर्बिडिटी तो आई थिंक एंजाइटी और डिप्रेशन से भी हो रही है, and I think vitamin D, as you correctly pointed out, has a role in this also.
Yes, and vitamin D, surprisingly, such a beautiful molecule. It works on brain. It will decrease our depression, anxiety, and it will give us very positive thoughts, creative thoughts, better analytical power, and very many good effects on brain. So just take it, do it, and see the results.
Lovely, ma'am. It's really, really wonderful. मुझे याद आ रहा है last time in Indore also, we started having a discussion of 5 minutes or so, and we ended up, I think, talking for at least 45 minutes. 1 घंटे तक हमने आपस में बात की, and it was a wonderful conversation.
Yes, yes, I also do remember it fondly.
So, ma'am, we'll definitely like to catch you again and discuss some of the other things that you've been talking about, lifestyle modifications and vitamin D in different conditions, you know, like pediatricians at least will be, and parents would be very interested in knowing कितनी सारी बीमारियों में आपने विटामिन डी से इतने अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आपको मिले हैं. So we would definitely like to bring you along for that as well. Thanks for being on the show today, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Gaurav. Thank you.
So आपने देख लिया कि मैम ने जो who's a vitamin D specialist and believes in lifestyle modification. She's a very unique pediatrician. I would definitely love for people to connect with her. जिन लोगों को भी कोई भी lifestyle issues हैं बच्चों से related हो, and definitely she will be a wonderful source of information. In the meantime, जो आप उनसे connect नहीं हो सकते, उनकी books पढ़िए. Freedom from Epilepsy उनके पास available है, और जो दूसरी book है Golden Rays, वो आपको Amazon Kindle पे मिल जाएगी. Link नीचे रहेगा मेरे show notes के अंदर. And we will definitely catch up with you next time. मैं आपका अपना child specialist Dr. Gaurav Gupta from Chara Clinics Mohali, along with Dr. Sushma Rawat from Indore. Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.